Hello, this is my outboard, Chinese 80cc, 5 horsepower, 4-stroke. It's not too bad. I got the gas tank on the outside, little air filter, well, big air filter. So I can show you guys. I'm in the middle of the water right now. I just used it. I broke it in the backyard for 15 minutes idling. I just took it out. I'm in my 10-foot tender boat. Middle of the water. Alright. This thing is immaculate. It's not that loud. Other outboards are really loud. Kill switches right here. This one. Let's see. I can do this. That's the carburetor. The exhaust. Nice little unit for tailgating, fishing. Of course, I got it on Facebook Market. They don't have it on eBay or Amazon. I bought it from Facebook Market, shipping. I came over from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and it cost around, this unit is like $325 plus tax, and then $40 for shipping. Comes up to almost, not at $400, but almost $400. But that's not too bad. It weighs around 35 pounds, so it's not that heavy. Let me start it up and show for you guys. See, it's not that loud. That's the exhaust. Alright. The way they designed this, you can't floor this thing. Like, you can't use it full speed, like full throttle. They limited it. So let me show you how fast it goes. See, it's not that loud. Right now, that's full throttle. I wish somebody could hold the camera, show you what the full throttle feels like. If I could do it, I don't want to chance it. Full throttle right there. Alright, we're gonna stop it. Alright, put the thing back before we drop it in the water. Alright, so you can see that they limit the throttle, alright, acceleration. Alright, I guess it'll last you a long time. It's not that bad. It goes around like probably 4, maybe 5 miles per hour. And if you full throttle it, you could hear like it's like limiting, accelerating, whatever, like ba 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 ba, you know, stuff like that. You see right here, this smiley right here, I'm a full throttle it. You see it goes right there, right? And then this thing right here, if you push it towards the outside this way, okay, there's full throttle there. But I guess they limited it, so, you know, maybe, this one right here, sorry, yep, so they limited it, but other than that, it's not too bad. Hope you guys enjoy the video.